Weekday mornings can be pretty hectic around here. Kids, breakfast time! Giving the kids Arla organic free-range milk with their cereal means they're getting almost a third of their calcium requirements first thing. Kids are at school. 5-minute coffee break before work starts.
Today's been a day mostly of planning and writing. It's nearly 3 o'clock, so it's time to go and get Lewis from school. What are you going to do?
Time to get the tea on. For tea today, I'm making mac and cheese with garlic chicken pieces, and I'm going to start by frying off the chicken. Fry the chicken with paprika, salt, pepper and garlic until browned. Then transfer to a board and chop into bite-sized pieces. Fry a chopped onion in butter until softened. Then coat in plain flour. Add in the milk a little at a time until you have a thick sauce. I'm using Arla organic free-range milk. This means the cows are free to graze on 100% organic grass. Once you have a relatively thick sauce, add the cheese. This will thicken it further. Then pour over the cooked macaroni and the chicken we chopped up earlier. Give it a little stir, then top with more cheese, followed by some breadcrumbs that have been mixed with a little oil, paprika and seasoning. Place in the oven till bubbling and golden. The kids love mac and cheese, and I love that they're getting plenty of protein in this meal. Well, that didn't last long.
Mom, can I have hot chocolate?
Okay.